Well, you might be in a situation where your Samsung TV apps are just not working. So maybe you're going through and you're trying to fix these apps, but for some reason they just keep giving you some random problems. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. Number one, the first thing to do is to just try to force reboot your Samsung TV. So try going through and try just force rebooting it. So hold down the power button on the remote for 5 to 10 seconds. Your TV is going to turn off, then turn back on, or hold down that particular power button on your TV. What you can also do is you can unplug your TV from your power source. Let it sit there for about 60 seconds or so. Plug in your TV back in, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. For a lot of people, that might end up fixing it here too. Now, on top of that, if that's not working, another thing you might want to try doing too is to double check your internet connection. So if your apps and everything aren't loading, you might have to go inside of your settings application of your particular, Samsung TV, go into network status, and just make sure that your Samsung TV is properly working. A majority of the time, this is going to be an issue that you're going to run into. If that's still not working, try going through and try updating or reinstalling that particular application. So you might have to go through and get into your home portion of your Samsung TV, go into the apps portion, go into settings, and click on the reinstall portion to try reinstalling that particular application. And you want to see if that ends up working too, because for a lot of people, that might end up working. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. So in terms of that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.